Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Modella, you already know. So guys, I'll be doing something beautiful on this channel today. I'll be doing date night looks, and I have a guest here that will rate in my looks. Put your hands together for pengman model. I'm alright.
Look good though.
Thank you so much. If you're stopping by for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. I create beautiful content, you know, you can check my other videos and all of that. And
subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. I'll be doing date night looks and they'll be rating me over 10. So stay tuned to see how this is going to turn out. So now let's get into the video.
I'm excited. I want to see what you're gonna bring.
Right, me too, I'm excited in advance.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Interesting. I like the color pop.
Thank you.
I like the color pop. I feel like with you, your body's a cheat already. So us rating dresses not cheat. It's I want the.
Please rate me.
Date night. Look. Can you spin around the side? Let me see. Oh, okay. Okay. I'll give this an 8.
Okay. So why 8? Are you trying to pay back?
No, it's no.
Okay.
Why 8? Maybe it's the color.
Okay.
So it's very shouty. Do you understand? But apart from that, you know, it's really, you know, it's too loud. You know, date night is more classy. You know.
This is classy.
Yeah.
And I might decide not to
yeah.
cool colors. I just want to.
But yeah, is it your 8? It's my 8. When you choose
I'm proper looking.
It's 8. I'm giving
you
it
know how to do this.
8. Dress is hot, Sha. It's hot. But 8.
Alright.
Now you're talking. Exactly. This is exactly. This is the date night look I'm talking about. Yes. Yeah, I'm giving this one a 10 for sure.
Whoa.
You get what I'm trying to say? Like it's so you get what I mean by this, the difference between this one and that one. This one is a bit more luxurious, you know, you're going to fine restaurants, you know. Ooh, just simple, you know. Ooh, look at the purse.
Right.
10 over 10. 10.
Okay, thank you.
10.10.
I'm blown away.
Not even 9, 10.10. 9 will be being partial, man. It's 10 over 10 for me.
Right.
Gee. Here, I'm waiting for the next one, man.
For next one.
Let's see whether the one that will give you 11.
I am about 10.
Okay.
You know I'm that boss.
It's the way you carry your shoulder for me.
Right.
It's weird.
Wow.
It's like some winter look.
Yeah, busted bag, you know. I'm coming from work and
Yeah, it's starting to.
going to that
I'll give it an 8.5, and that's because of the jacket. It's classy. 8.5. It's classy. If it was just the dress, I'll give it 6.
No one I just wear this dress, you know, did I have to look sexy?
Exactly.
Bossy, or, you know, it has to be
something, yeah.
Yeah.
So this one, 8.5, and that's because the jacket makes it just, you're actually going for dinner.
Right. You know, I'm coming from work and I'm going to meet my brother.
That
expensive.
Goro. Let's go. Get it. Okay. This is a bit flowery.
Right.
Let me take off my glasses. Flowery. Okay, I like it.
Vibe.
It's like a good girl, dinnerish kind of thing. Ooh, boogie down.
Right.
Turn around.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So rate me, please.
I'll definitely give this a 9.
Oh, really?
Yes, because it's like dinner kind of pee.
Look, okay.
It's like proper dinner dress-ish, you know, classy.
And it has this beautiful vibe on the side,
So that's like the bad side, is the good side.
Right. Not exactly bad, it's just spicing it up, if everything cannot just be boring. Yeah. So this is my last look.
Don't get spice.
This is my last look on this edition.
Of dinner looks.
On this edition, right? On this dinner looks. But then I have a bonus, I just want to spice things up,
Okay, bonus coming through.
Right.
I thought it would do. Nice. I feel like my favorite is the black so far.
The black, ooh,
that's the best for me. 10 over 10. 10.
Right.
10.
So guys, this beautiful dress is from K Fashion Home. Go copy
yours right now.
You already know.
Choo.
Peace out.
Wahala be like bicycle. Kaka kuku kuku kurukutu. Chush. Damn, girl. This is something.
Right.
This is hot for a bonus look, actually.
So please rate me.
I'll give this is hot actually.
Thank you.
But I'll give this an 8.
Okay, why 8 please? Because you just said this is hot.
It's
so
very hot. Typically I'll give it a 10, but you know why?
Why?
I feel like it's more of a club dress than a date night dress. Yes, it's
but
more.
It doesn't matter. I'm going to see my boo, so I can decide to go out,
Yeah, but it's giving more of like, I'd rather see this in the club than a date night. I think because of the texture of the clothes.
Okay.
Do you get what I'm trying to say? It's more clubby, but overall, I'm just hot there. So yeah.
So that's it for this dress.
8. That's it. 8.
So guys, thanks for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed everything, and I hope you're able to pick like a look or the other from this video. And guys, if you like more content like this, please tell me down in the comment section. If you're watching like till this particular moment and you've not subscribed,
Subscribe.
What's
they do you?
What's going on?
Behave yourself.
Please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends.
True.
Drop your comments down below.
Subscribe to my channel too.
And please subscribe to this channel too. And yeah, thanks for watching this video.
See you guys
See you on
soon.
the next one.
True.
Bye.
Gang.